So hello, welcome back to Hacksab Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm going to teach you and show you how you can use the font tools that are in the home page. So first thing, let me introduce you to the tools. This is fonts. In the previous video I teach you how to use the clickbot tools, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you use the fonts. So fonts has what we call B, stand for bold, and you can see it has Control B to make it bold. Example, Control B to make it bold. We have Control I to make it italic, and we have Control U for underline or underlining. So this is what we call bolds. This is to italize your text, and this is underline to underline your text. This to bold your text. So we have this tool, we call it a fonts. This is where you choose how you want your font text to look like. So it has so many, so mostly people are using Times Roman, but you can use it depends on the font text you want to use. The choice is from you. And this is font size, tells you to increase and decrease the size, and here is for decreasing and increasing the font size. And this place allow you to change the case, maybe lowercase or uppercase. This one has some art, text effects. It has some art, and this one is text highlight color, and this one is font color, like the text completely how you want it to be read when you type. So first thing, let me show you how to change a font text. Example, this control, this is the text I write. So maybe I want to change it from Calip to another font text. So all I need is to either hold the shift key and use the left and right, up and down arrow key in your keyboard, or you can use your mouse to hold the left key and drag and to highlight the words or sentence that you want to highlight. And also you can, if you want to highlight them all, then you can just press Control A. We have what we call Control plus A to highlight the whole text or pages text. So what you need to do now, you can press Control A to highlight it all, or you can use your mouse to drag to highlight it all. So then you come here to fonts text. You click on this arrow, so it's going to give you options. You'll be able to test it, and from this side you see how the text is changing. Anyone you try to apply, you take your mouse on. Okay, let me use this one, and I click on it as I select it. So you see how it's changed. So if I want, I can change it into different text formats, text fonts. So now the next thing to do, maybe I want to increase the size, I can highlight it again. You have to highlight it before the changes will appear. So I highlight it, I come to this font size, and maybe let me use this 24. 24 is big, so I'm just using this for example. Not all the text is used the big, the heading you can use big, at least to show this the heading. And um, so and let's take an example. I want to decrease and increase the text fonts and size, the text size. I can still use Ctrl A to highlight it all. I can use this place, increase font size, you see it's increasing, and decrease font size is decreasing. So that's another shortcut, but mostly this will not give you a good result, but you can use this to select, because mostly people type at 12. So next thing I'm going to show you is how to use the bold tool. When you highlight your text, you want to make it to be bold. So all you need, you can press Ctrl B. You see how the B is thick, you see how the text become bold, and you can use the same. You have to highlight it again and use Ctrl B to unbold. That's the shortcut key. But if you want to follow the long code, you can come here after you highlight the text, press Ctrl B, and to unbold, press Ctrl B. And to make the text to be italic, to italize the text, all you need, you can use Ctrl R, press Ctrl R to make it italic. And if you want to remove it, you can use Ctrl I. And also you can use this side, I. And if you want to underline it, you can use Ctrl U, underline it. To underline it, you can use the same Ctrl U. And for the long cut, you can use it. So Ctrl U has another feature, like even the underline, how do you want it to appear, slim or thick, it has different styles. So when you use this side, this small arrow like triangle, when you click on it, it gives you some options. You see different lines, and it's left for you to choose the one you want to use. And there is more lines, and there is underline colors. Do you want to apply color in the lines? So you can choose color to underline and so many things. So that's how to use it. Then we have another tool, we call it strike through. So example, maybe you may see they wrote something and you click on it. Example, you see it's something like this is concealed, or maybe you see a price $500 or 500 naira, then you see they'll cancel it and give the discounts, like maybe $300 or 300 naira. So this is how you use it. And for Nigerians, some office don't have a naira sign, so you can create a naira sign. Example, you can have an N, then you use Control D, give you option. So, and if you don't want to use Control D, you can use this arrow, it will give you the same option too. So what you need to do is, when you type N, you can highlight it, then use Control D or this arrow, then you check double strike through. You see it gives you an error sign. You just have your error sign. When you give space, when you write, it's going to follow it. So what you need to do, when you give space, you have to use Control D again or this arrow to remove it. So that's how you can continue typing. And also this space that I give, after you make the naira sign, you need to still remove the strike through, so that, sorry, okay, strike through. I don't know why it's giving me this. I'm coming. Maybe I give a space. That's why. Now I want to know where the space is confusing. So I just managed to remove the space. So this is how you can have your NERA sign. So, and that's the work of the strike through. So, and we have subscripts and superscripts. So example, when you are typing maybe mathematic 1 plus 1, maybe superscripts, anything you are going to write below, you can use superscripts. You click on it, then maybe 4 minus 8, then you can remove the superscript, the subscript, and is equal to what. So that's how you can use the subscripts. And the superscript, this is how it works: 1 plus 1 every raised power 1 plus 8, and you remove the superscript, is equal to what. So this is how you can use the truth. So it's from you. Then the arts, this allow you, this font, this text, it allow you to choose. Example, let me work with this. When you highlight these words, this control B, click on this, the text. Sorry, let me use this one so that you see how it changes. You see how it changes, turning like an art. So you can use this outline to change the color. You can use shadow, you can use reflection, you can use globe, you can use you can use this globe shadow. It even has show more, so it has a lot of features. It has so many features. Shadow, some even has more colors. You can choose some colors. Reflection, shadow, some has, so even the word you can even select. You want dash dash and so many things. So this is how to work with it. Then the next one I want to show you is this text highlights color. It allows you to highlight a text and give it a background. You see, you just highlight this. Maybe you are telling people, oh, this is a place that you can delete this control and replace it with something. So it depends on how you want to use it. And also, if you want to remove it, you highlight it, select this arrow, no color, you are done. You can decide to use any color. Then we have this for the text fonts color. Example, if you choose maybe red, type, it comes in red. If you choose blue or any color, you type it on. So is how you type. If you select white, you type something and nobody is going to see it. You see your desire. Let me highlight it, and turn it to black, auto black, you see it appears. So this is how you use it. This is how you use the fonts color. And this one I have never used it, clear formatting, so I can't teach you what I have never used it before. So if you can play around with these tools, if you understand these tools are the Microsoft Word. And when you go to PowerPoint, you find the same tools with just few addition of something, you understand. And almost like this is the foundation. If you know how to use this, then at least you are good to go. So thank you for watching this video. If you have question, you can drop at the comments. You can drop a comment with your questions, and please, we appreciate, to see you liking our videos, sharing, inviting other people to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also dropping a comment on how awesome you enjoy our video and how great our videos is. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I am Sat, your facilitator. Thank you. See you in the next video.